Hello friends, in this video you will learn about text component and button component. On previous video you have learned label component and also the entry component. So if you have not watched the video, go to the description section, there you will find the link of the previous video. So first of all I would like to discuss about the text component. So in previous video you have watched the entry box which we have created through entry components. So first of all I would like to show about the entry component. So I am running the code. So here you can see one entry box has been created. So in this entry box we can write only one line statement. Here you can see we can write only one line statement but not a multiple line statement. So to write a multiple line statement we use text component. So next is the button component. So to perform a specific task, when we click on the button, we use button components. So for example, here you can see there is a calculator. If we click on any buttons, a specific task has been performed. So when we click on 5 number is displayed on the entry box. So here you can see whenever I have clicked on the button, a specific task has been performed. So likewise we can create a button component where we can perform a specific task. So let's get started with coding for better understanding. So I will comment out the entry box. So I am going to write the code for text component. So first of all you create one variable. So I have created t1 as variable and write the component name. So T will be the capital. So in every component, so first character should be on uppercase and rest of the characters should be on lowercase. So I have written the component name text and under parenthesis we'll write the screen name where we would like to display the text. So I have created the root screen where I will display the text box. And I will place the text box onto the screen. So first of all I will use the peg function. Next I will use the place function on this video itself. T1 dot I have used first peg function. So now you can see, so here you can see one text box has been created on the screen where we can write multiple line statement. Okay, so our text box is very large, so we can resize the text box as our choice. So here we'll give the size of the text box. So first of all I will give the width of the text box as 50 and height of the text box will be 5. Okay, so now I will run the code. So here you can see one text box has been created beautifully. So here you can write multiple line codes. Okay, so this was the text component where we can write multiple line statement. So this type of text box is used for writing the address, or whenever we fill in multiple line we use text box component. Now we will go through button component. So for button component, first of all I will create one variable b1 and then we'll write the component name button, and first argument will be the screen name, and next will be the text. So first of all I have given the text as button. Okay, also you can give the font of the text. Font is equal Arial, comma, you can give the size of the text. I have given 18, and also you can give the darkness as bold, and Now you have to place the button. So to place the button, we'll use peg function. So b1 dot peg. So now we'll check the button. So here you can see one button has been created below the text box. So here you can see we have given the text as button. Okay, so here you can see one button has been created beautifully. So next we will check off place function. So by removing the peg function, we'll use the place function. So what is the difference between peg function and place function? First of all, I would like to show once more the peg by using the peg function. So here you can see whenever we have used the peg function, the components which we displayed on the screen are on the center of the screen. Here you can see the text box is on the center, plus the button we have button component which we displayed on the screen is also on the center of the screen. So what is the difference? So in place function we can place the components wherever we like. So we'll see on practical. So here we'll write T1. Now we'll use dot place function. So on place function we have to give the place where we want to arrange the component. So first of all we have to give the x value from left side. So I am giving 30 and from y which is the y view from the top. So I have given 20. So now you can see the difference between place and peg function. So here you can see one text box has been displayed on the screen and the text box is on the left side, and there is one gap which is 30 pixel, which is the x value. Here you can see the x value is 30 we have given, and the y value is 20, which is the top gap. Okay, and next is the button which is used in peg function, which is on the center. So also we can place the button from place function. So here we will change the peg function to place function. So first of all we'll write b1 the variable name dot place, and here you will have to give the value of x, that will be 400, and y will be 40. Okay, so now we will run the code. So now here you can see our button has been on the center, but the value of x we have given was 400, so the gap is 400. It is not on the center as we check on peg function. So if we increase the x value, here you will see the more changes. So here we will give 600, the value of x will be the 600. So now here you can see the button is placed on the 600 from x, and from top it is 40 pixel gap. So I hope you have understand the text component and also the button component using place function. Always be active and keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.